let's look at how we can quickly scan the timeline here inside of Premiere Pro using keyboard shortcuts. Now I have a graphic on the left just here. I've lifted this directly from the Adobe online help for Premiere Pro. I'll include a link to that page, which is a fantastic page by the way, in the description. So we'll be using three keys, J, K, and L, and they're all nicely located next to each other on the keyboard, which is great. And we'll be using the Shift key a little bit later on as well. So Adobe uses the term shuttle, okay? So when we want to move to the left, in other words, play backwards, press the J key. To move forward, to shuttle right, we press the L key. And then to stop, we press the K key. So pressing the L key, basically the same as pressing the play button or the spacebar. I'll press the K key to stop, and then press the J key to play in reverse. So that's great, just pressing K to stop there. If I press L to move forward, if I press L again, it will speed up. Press L again, it will speed up even more. And the same is true in the reverse direction. If I keep pressing J, it will keep speeding up faster and faster in the reverse direction. So let's now throw in the Shift key. So the J and the L functionality is the same, but when we include the Shift key, it just moves forward or backwards at a much, much slower rate. So if I press Shift L, it's creeping forward just there, but what's nice is I can stack these on top of each other. So if I press Shift L a few more times, that will progressively speed up. And if you press that 10 times, that will actually get you up to normal playback speed. Pressing K to stop there. If I press Shift J, it will play very slowly in reverse. Same is true, I can stack those on top of each other. So pressing Shift J a few more times to speed things up there like so. Very nice. Another little nice trick to know, if I press the L key a few times to speed up, if I press the J key, it will actually slow down that forward movement. So it's still moving forward, but every time I press the J key, it will slow it down. If I press the J key one more time, it will start moving backwards. If I press J a few times to speed up, to slow that down, but still in the reverse direction, I can press the L key a couple of times. Very nice. So that's all the keyboard shortcuts there, guys. We're pretty much done at this point, but I'll just show you those in those same keys in a couple of other sequences. So I have a tutorial which I did recently just here. Notice I have the audio waveform open. I love to have this open when I'm scanning. It gives you a much better indication of what you're potentially looking for. So I'll press L to play through. And then I'll just press L again. And L again. Cool, so press K to stop there. And if I press J, you hear that in reverse, and pressing J a couple more times to speed that up. Cool, and we can also, of course, press Shift L to move forward very slowly. And I'll press Shift L a couple more times just to speed that up. Pressing Shift J to move, actually I'll press K and then press Shift J a couple of times. Very cool, so you can see with those keyboard shortcuts there, guys, we can scan through here very, very quickly. And when used in conjunction with the audio waveform, you can actually very quickly find areas that you might need to edit, to cut, or to move, to copy, whatever you need to do. And one last example I have here is just some music. So I'll just press L to play. I'll speed this up. And let's play that in reverse. Very cool. And then I'll just press Shift L to move forward very slowly. And then Shift J to play in reverse. Very cool. So that's it there, guys. Hope that helps. The J, the K, and the L keys, and also in conjunction with the Shift key to quickly shuttle through your timeline. Happy editing, guys. Catch you later.